Ever started a new relationship but found yourself reacting because of old wounds? That's emotional baggage, and if you don't deal with it, it silently destroys your future happiness. Today, let's uncover how emotional baggage follows you into every new relationship, and most importantly, how to finally put it down. Point 1. The ghosts of the past. When you've been cheated on, you might become hyper-vigilant in your next relationship. Every late text, every unanswered call feels like a betrayal, even if your new partner is trustworthy. You're punishing the present for the sins of the past. Point 2. Unhealed wounds become filters. Unresolved pain acts like glasses you wear. You don't see your partner as they are, you see them through the lens of past hurt. That makes healthy love almost impossible. Point 3. Projection trap. Often, we project our fears onto the other person. You might accuse them of being distant when in reality, it's your fear of abandonment playing out. Imagine moving into a new house but carrying all the trash from your old one. No matter how beautiful the new space is, it will stink if you don't let go of the old baggage. The truth is, a new partner can't heal your old wounds. That's your job. And once you heal, love becomes lighter, freer, and healthier. I've linked a powerful program below that guides you step by step in letting go of emotional baggage, so you can finally build a relationship without the weight of the past holding you back.